Multinational companies with foreign subsidiaries and cross-border transactions within the group are subject to strict regulations on determining and documenting transfer prices for goods and services. On the one hand, transfer prices can be used for intra-group management and control purposes. On the other hand, however, from a tax perspective, they need to be established and documented in compliance with the arm's length principle. Cross-border transaction types can be very diverse and extensive. Let's have a look at the example of a multinational automobile manufacturer with headquarters in Germany. Most body components for the new hydrogen-powered SUV are produced in its Polish forming plant. The plant produces, sells and delivers these car parts to the manufacturing plant in Germany. Finally, the finished vehicles will be sold by a distribution company in the USA. Each individual intercompany transaction ends in data records. The basis for all of them need to be considered in the transfer pricing documentation. Even within the group, each cross-border transaction must be granted at arm's length principle. Therefore, thousands of data records are generated every day within these global value chains. They are the basis for the transfer pricing documentation. The German headquarters deals with compiling and providing transfer pricing documentation that is consistent throughout the group. The company is not only innovative in the development of new vehicles, but also very advanced and efficient in complying with legal requirements for transfer pricing. Before using the software solution WTS TPmanager, the timely preparation of the transfer pricing documentation was a real nightmare. But with the web-based WTS TPmanager, it is past. TP-admin stands for consistency. Besides the maintenance of master data, user, role concept, and workflow assignment, the TP transactions from the source systems can be imported and TP documentation templates will be maintained there. TP transactions stand for data validation and risk management. The objective is to provide the management with a complete overview of the intercompany transactions already allocated to the related in- or outbound cluster, including a drill down to the individual posting details, as well as the remaining volume of transactions with no allocation under the section Undefined. They can be reassigned manually to correct in- or outbound cluster within a few mouse clicks only. TP documentation stands for Standards and Effectivity. This module enables users to create standardized transfer pricing documentation in accordance with the OECD and individual local legal requirements. To improve usability and increase efficiency, users can modify the predefined forms and text blocks of the TP documentation within the integrated text editor. Furthermore, the entire TP documentation can be extracted at any time. TP Workflow stands for Compliance due to Fully Integrated Process Flow. This module reflects the transfer pricing documentation status tracking. It includes responsibilities and respective tasks, and also the assignment of deadlines for each part of transfer pricing documentation. TP File Review stands for Traceability. To ensure the appropriateness and correctness of the TP documentation, a relevant review function is included in WTS TPmanager. Therefore, forms and text blocks that have been changed will be highlighted automatically. TP Dashboard stands for Transparency. Based on a world map view, the module provides a status overview for managers of all the relevant countries in which subsidiaries and foreign companies are represented. An additional function is the comparison of intercompany transaction volumes within the group. It is possible to trace data to the level of the individual document. In summary, Our WTS TPmanager offers a comprehensive solution to record, document, track and deal with transfer pricing issues. Clearly defining tasks and responsibilities within the tool, an associated deadline control, and the defined review and release processes maximizes the entire TP documentation process within the group. If you would like to benefit from the advantages provided by the WTS TPmanager as well, we would be pleased to demonstrate the tool live. See you soon!